Hello friends, on this video I will show you how to set ringtone. Before we start, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. At first we have to move on setting, then scroll down, then you can find here this not display. Click here sound and vibration, then you can see here ringtone, then you can click here any ringtone, and if one so many ringtone, just click here all ringtones, then you can find here all ringtones. If you want to set, just click it, it will be set. If you love the video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.